Where's your chocolate? Is it Easter? Whoa! What did you find?
There's another one. He's like,
Oh, is there more? Is there more chocolate somewhere?
Where? Where?
Where's the chocolate?
Wow.
You found the big one. Oh, don't throw them. You're supposed to eat them, Bubba.
I'll open one for him to eat. You want to eat one?
Good boy. There's more, Aiden. There's more.
Let's open one.
Aiden, what's this?
Ready?
What's over here?
Wait, video how he reacts to the chocolate. Hey, look here. What's this? Okay, what's that over there?
What's this? What's that? Is that another Easter chocolate? Oh, this is a bad idea.
Huh?
Shouldn't give him the chocolate to walk around with. What are those? Look over here on that camel stool. Look, Aiden, what's on the camel stool? What's over here?
What's over there?
Are those some more chocolates? He's looking up.
Look down here. Look.
What's that? What did you find?
You're running out of space in your hands.
You don't want those chocolates. Oh, exciting! Oh, yay! Yeah, you found chocolate. You want those open too, huh?
I think there's one more.
There's more chocolates, Aiden.
Where?
Aiden, what's in here?
Come on.
Aiden, what's over here?
Come over here. Look in here.
What's in there? Did you find another one?
That doesn't have a...
He's drooling. My son is drooling chocolate.
He's eating one with a wrapper.
You're supposed to take the wrapper off.
Wait. Here, I'll open one for you, okay? There you go.
Are you excited? Do you like chocolate? Yeah, it's coming. It's coming.
It's better without the wrapping.
Yay!